AI Writing Workshop is a write and revise process with immediate rubric-based feedback and friendly, specific tips for students to improve each draft. To use AI Writing Workshop, you'll need an assessment with a question containing a writing prompt, a standard, a rubric, and it can include passages. To launch it, go to the Lessons Assessments tab, My Assessments, Activate, choose AI Writing Workshop and pick your class. Then set the number of revisions. Let's go with 3 plus their final draft. We can also define an assessment window, set a time limit, or make the text-to-speech feature available to all students in case their 504 demographic isn't set in All in Learning. Then click Next and Activate. Then let's click the class name to watch the progress. Students can now launch the activity in their student portal, read the passage, type their work, and get feedback. We can see students advance forward as they complete revisions and see their scores. This student may need some extra help. Let's hop in, see their work and the feedback. These are good tips. Let's just let them know we're here to help. We can even chat back and forth. So zoom forward. They won't get feedback after submitting their final draft, but they can decide to make changes and click Edit and Replace. When they're done, they'll click I'm finished. After students finish, you can review their final draft, adjust the score, and edit the feedback. Let's add some words of encouragement to this one. You can leave this screen and complete other tasks, and then come back from your home page's Active Sessions screen. When you're ready to end the activity and get report data, you'll need to click End Session. Let's include this report in the progress tracker so we can track standards growth over time. And let's look at some key reports. With our AI Insight to Action report, we can immediately see struggling students grouped for remediation. Under Item Analysis, Students, we can go back and look at those final submissions again. Under Student Analysis, Student Feedback by Question, we can post their scores and feedback to their student portal. And then, under Student Non-Proficient by Standard, we can also post this view of the standard performance for each student in their student portal.